Hey there, budget travelers. Ever dreamed of exploring Europe and North Africa without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm diving into the cheapest flights you can snag to make your travel dreams come true. First up, let's talk about Ryanair. This airline is the king of budget travel in Europe. You can jet from London to Madrid for as low as $20. Once in Madrid, don't miss the Royal Palace, explore the Prado Museum, and feast on some delicious tapas. Ryanair also offers dirt-cheap flights from Berlin to Budapest, where you can soak in the famous thermal baths and stroll along the Danube River. Next, we've got EasyJet, another budget-friendly option. You can fly from Paris to Lisbon for under $30. Lisbon is a gem with its stunning architecture, tasty pastéis de nata, and the historic tram rides. Another great route is from Amsterdam to Milan, starting at just $25. In Milan, the Duomo and Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper are must-sees. Now let's hop over to Wizz Air. Flying from Vienna to Sofia is a steal at around $15. Sofia offers a mix of Eastern and Western European culture, beautiful churches, and vibrant nightlife. Wizz Air also connects you from Budapest to Athens for roughly $30. Athens, of course, is a treasure trove of ancient history and delicious Greek cuisine. Don't forget Vueling Airlines, especially if you're eyeing Spain. You can travel from Barcelona to Marrakesh for just $40. Marrakesh will dazzle you with its bustling souks, the majestic Koutoubia Mosque, and the stunning Jardin Majorelle. Another route to consider is from Rome to Cairo, where you can walk amongst the pyramids and explore the rich history of ancient Egypt. Now, let's compare these airlines a bit. Ryanair and EasyJet are known for their extensive route networks and incredibly low prices. However, they do charge extra for things like seat selection, checked baggage, and even printing your boarding pass at the airport. Wizz Air tends to be slightly more affordable, but operates mainly in Central and Eastern Europe. Vueling is your best bet for connections between Spain and North Africa, with a good balance of price and service. So what's the takeaway? Each airline has its own perks and quirks, but they all offer fantastic opportunities to explore new places on a budget. Always compare prices, check for extra fees, and book your tickets in advance to get the best deals. All right, budget travelers, that's a wrap on the cheapest flights across Europe and North Africa. Have fun planning your next adventure, and remember, travel smart, spend less, and explore more. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more budget travel tips. Safe travels!